Hello students, I am Mrs. Pragya Das, 5th grade facilitator. Children, do you remember the tasks which were shared with you for your holiday home task, vacation task? So there you came to know many things, like you came to know how to read the atlas, you understood the maps, the legends of the maps, then what are longitudes and latitudes, what are the special latitudes, and not only that, you came to know about your country, India. You came to know it is located in which zone, the different states of our country, their capitals, and obviously the neighboring countries. Through the self-explanatory maps, you came to know about the monuments of our country, the tourist places in India, and obviously about the rich heritage of our country. Not only that, you also came to know of the traditional art forms of India. Children, today we'll be learning something very interesting. Okay children, tell me one thing. You all know that our Earth is the only planet in the solar system that supports life. Life is possible on Earth because of three major components which are found on Earth. That is air, water and soil. Now, our Earth system is divided into 4 subsystems. You know, these subsystems are called as the domain of the Earth or the spheres of the Earth. Now, these 4 subsystems or the domain of the Earth are hydrosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere and biosphere. When I say hydro means water. It is the land or it's the domain of water. Atmosphere, we talk about our air, and when we say lithosphere, we talk about land. It is also called as the geosphere. And biosphere is the domain where we find living organisms. The surface of the earth is called the lithosphere, which is generally referred as the crust or the land. The land on the earth is uneven. They are not same everywhere. The lithosphere consists of different types of landforms. They are mountains, plateaus, hills, valleys, plains, islands, peninsula, delta, deserts, and many types. Today, we will learn about few of such landforms. So, let's first talk about one such major landform, that are mountains. Mountains are the landforms that rise high up above the land surface, thousands meters above the land surface. They are solid, rocky masses present in a long chain. The tip of the mountain is referred or called as peaks. Mountains have narrow peaks and broad bases. A chain of mountains are termed as mountain ranges. One such mountain range is the Himalayas. The Himalayas are made up of 3 parallel ranges. They are known as the Greater Himalayas, the Lesser Himalayas and the Outer Himalayas, or they are termed also as Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik range. These Himalayan ranges passes through the country of India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Bhutan and Nepal. The highest mountain peak in the world, that is the Mount Everest, is there in these Himalayan ranges, which is in Nepal. Other important mountain ranges of the world are the Alps in Europe and the Andes Mountains in South America, which is considered to be the longest mountain range in the world. Hill is another important landform. It is higher than the surrounding area, but it is smaller than the mountains. Hill is a highland of much lower elevation than a mountain, and normally it is not as steep as the mountain. Another important landform are the valleys. Valleys are low-lying areas of land which lies between 2 hills. They are termed as valleys. Talking about plateaus, Plateaus are raised, flat surface areas bounded by steep slope. Since plateau has a flat top and a sharp falling sides, it is also referred as a tabletop land. A large part of the surface of the earth are made up of plateaus. Some of the famous plateaus are the Tibetan Plateau. Tibetan Plateau is considered to be the highest and the largest plateau of the world. And obviously we are living in a plateau, we all live in a plateau, and that is known as the Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau of India is considered to be one of the oldest plateau of the world. Plains happen to be the most densely populated region of the earth. The plains being flat and fertile enables cultivation. It provides a very good network for transportation. The Nile Basin in Egypt, the Wang Ho Basin in China, and the Indo-Gangetic Basin in India are some of the most important river plains. Another important landform is the deserts. The deserts are dry, arid lands which has very little or absolutely no rainfall. Deserts can be hot deserts as well as cold deserts. The cold deserts are the Gobi Desert in Mongolia and the Ladakh in India. Talking about the hot desert, we have the Sahara in Africa and the Thar Desert of India. The life of the people living in the desert is very difficult because they have to face very harsh climatic conditions. The deserts, the day temperature are very hot and the nights are extremely cold, especially in the hot deserts. Students, you can watch the video which is shared with you, complete the class task and turn in on time.